Now we are doing question number 8 from exercise 13.3. Question is, water in a canal 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep is flowing with a speed of 10 km per hour. How much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes of 8 centimeter of standing water in a field is needed? Now see here, canal is in the form of cuboid in which the water is flowing. Now it is 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter high in which the water is flowing, and the water is flowing at a speed of 10 km per hour. The water is flowing towards the length of the cuboid, that is 10 km per hour speed is there of the water. Now we are to find that how much water will irrigate in a field. The quantity of water that will come out from the cuboid will go into the field. Now we are to find the quantity of water that is filled in the field in 30 minutes. And here we are given that the water is going at a speed of 10 km per hour. Then we will find water going at a speed of 30 minutes. How we will find this? See, distance traveled by water in 1 hour is 10 km. This 10 km per hour means that the water is traveling a distance of 10 km in 1 hour. Therefore, we will write distance traveled by water in 1 hour is equal to 10 km. Then distance traveled by water in 60 minutes, because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes is equal to 10,000 meter, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meter, then 10 kilometer is equal to 10,000 meter. Then distance traveled by water in 30 minutes is equal to 10,000 divided by 60 multiplied by 30. Now we solve it and we get 5,000 meter. Means the distance traveled by water in 30 minutes is 5,000 meter. Means up to this 5,000 meter there is a cuboid, because water is going in the shape of cuboid. 5,000 is the length of this cuboid, 6 meter is the breadth, and 1.5 meter is the height. Then the volume of water that comes out in 30 minutes from canal will be equal to length into breadth into height of this cuboid. The volume of water traveled from canal in 30 minutes, length into breadth into height, that is 5,000 into 6 into 1.5. Now volume of water filled in field in 30 minutes up to height of 8 by 100 meter, because we are to find the volume of water that is filled in the field up to a height of 8 centimeter. That will also be in the form of cuboid. This is the cuboid. This is the height of the cuboid. Length we don't know of the field, and breadth also we don't know of the field. This 8 centimeter is the height of the water that is filled in the field. This length into breadth means for the area of the surface of this cuboid, area of the surface of the field. Now see here, volume of water filled in field in 30 minutes up to height of 8 by 100 meter, because 8 centimeter means 8 by 100 meter, is equal to length of field multiplied by breadth of field multiplied by 8 by 100, the height up to which the water is standing. Now volume of water traveled from canal in 30 minutes is equal to volume of water filled in field in 30 minutes, because the quantity of water that will flow from canal will be filled into the field. The quantity of water that comes out from canal will be filled in the field. Volume of water travelled from canal in 30 minutes is equal to volume of water filled in field in 30 minutes at a height of 8 centimeter, that is 8 by 100 meter. Now volume of water that travelled from canal in 30 minutes is 5000 into 6 into 1.5, as we have mentioned here, is equal to 5000 is equal to length into breadth into height of the field. The volume of water that travelled from canal will be equal to the volume of water that is filled in the field up to the height of 8 by 100 meters. Volume of water that travelled from canal is 5000 into 6 into 1.5, and volume of water that filled in the field is equal to L into B into 8 by 100. Now from here we will find the L length and breadth of the field. I have mentioned here L as LF and B as BF, means length of field and breadth of field. Now this length of field into breadth of field will be equal to 5000 into 6 into 1.5 into 100 by 8. When we bring this 8 by 100 to left side, it will become equal to 100 by 8. Therefore, we can say that LF into BF is equal to 5000 into 6 into 1.5 into 100 by 8. That comes out after solving. After solving this, we get it equal to 562500 meter square. This is the area of the field, means length into breadth of the field that we were to find out. Now we know that 10,000 meter square is equal to 1 hectare. 1 meter scale 1 upon 10,000. Then 562500 meter square is equal to 1 by 10,000 multiplied by 562500. It comes out to be equal to 56.25 hectares. That is the area of the field that is filled up to a height of 8 by 100 meters in the field. Now this is the solution for this question. See, this is the solution for question number 8.